Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming support and getting into the control surface. First, make sure your AirPods model and iOS version support transparency. This matters because the feature relies on specific mics and firmware. Once done, put the AirPods in your ears and open Control Center or tap Settings Bluetooth. From Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods. This gives direct access to the noise control options. Do this now so you can switch modes in the next step. Now you'll switch modes and tailor how transparency behaves. Tap Noise Control and select Transparency. On newer models, choose Adaptive Transparency for dynamic attenuation. Use the volume slider in Control Center or set press and hold on the stem for quick toggles. This keeps hands-free use smooth. Make sure to run ear tip fit test or check microphone settings if voices sound odd, because proper seal and mic routing affect ambient processing. Once set, test with street noise to verify clarity versus isolation. Finish by validating the experience under real conditions and knowing one quick fix. Walk into a noisy street or cafe and listen. If transparency is too loud or muffled, toggle adaptive transparency or adjust press and hold behavior until voices and traffic sound natural. If you encounter skipping or the mode won't engage, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button until the LED flashes, then reconnect. This reset often solves firmware or pairing hiccups. Update iOS if problems continue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.